They laugh in your face and then talk about you behind your back.
It really wasn't about what they was talking about.
I always want me to swing on a bitch and don't want to help. They want to switch sides. Don't tell me to swing on a bitch and you're not on my side, ho. Cause bitch,
I hate bitches that, you know, always trying to make it seem like you be laughing in their face and, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the point.
a bitch thought it was just only her birthday. Bitch, it's both our birthday. Ho, we're not only celebrating your birthday. And I'm tired of this fucking, I'm tired of it. I can't wait till the reunion. Because when the reunion comes, I'm swinging on all these hoes.
Bitches was wrong.
Buddy, I ain't gonna say shit to them bitches
because I be nothing but real. For day one.
And I hate an aggravating ass, complaining ass hoe. Bitch complain everywhere we motherfucking went. Like, oh, deal with it and shut the fuck up.
Bitchy.
When the reunion comes, it's up for them hoes. And it's stuck. It's up and it's motherfucking stuck. Cause guess what? Guess who the baddest bad girl that ain't been beat yet? But the trip was fun and our next trip will be lit. He told me throw it back about. So I sit this motherfucker on his lap about. Boy, come and make this ass fat. And no, we can't talk if you ain't spinning right.
What's up, y'all?
What's up? We made it, niggas.
We is in Punta Cana.
PR, finna get our body game.
And we get some liquor. Oh, look at me. We get some liquor, we get some Don Julio. I need some good lightning. Where the lightning at?
The lightning was right here.
Let me hold it.
It was too much for me. Bitch, you should've got some braids.
So we get some liquor, we get some drink. We wait for Robin and Sissy.
Okay, so we got white Hennessy and Don Julio.
And we just gonna split it like one. Where's that? Right here. Say hey to the camera.
Yeah.
It's my birthday. Bitch. They say they take bags and they go try to pay for it.
Yeah, we gotta go for that.
Alright, so we got white Hennessy and Don Julio. We got a purple.
Alright, y'all, so we back.
Yo. On the way to the liquor store.
We just touched down in motherfucking Punta Cana.
Okay, excuse me.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to us. Yeah, it's not your birthday.
It's an honor.
Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to us. Z, sharp pistons.
They can't even see the bro, it's the song replay. It's a code to get in the thing, or he waiting on this. Alright, so
Somebody should have stayed in the car. Wow. Because if he pull off, what are we going to do?
we're gonna find him.
What the fuck?
Oh.
So we just, ooh, it's dark. we just landed to the liquor store.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, you got the coat.
Girl,
I got the medium brown bag.
that's not Coke, that's
I meant the Louis Vuitton.
Yo, man,
Damn.
Están muy bellas toditas, están hermosas, especial ellas. Hermosas, beautiful.
Thank you.
All our suitcases.
This is nice.
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, court I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing.
the pool's so big. I feel like, you know.
Wait, what he said about the car?
Why is you recording everything up for the same? What?
Let me see.
Just right here won't be so good with this phone right there. Somebody take his number down because he got to get us the car.
We got 3 bedrooms, you check, you know.
Yeah. Say happy birthday, Cece.
I know Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. Look at them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend.
Landed. Oh no. Give me the camera. And don't cut this out because you're stupid. Okay. We just got situated. That's what I meant to say.
I got plinch plaques.
What the fuck they look like? We just got situated, so right now we at a restaurant getting something.
We at Hard Rock Casino.
Get something to eat, and then after, is we going to a club? What should we go to Coco Bunker?
Yeah.
It's
so white.
Coco Bunker going to Mandarin every night. It's more clubs. Oh, Coconuts Bar. I found that.
Hip hop?
Yeah, and they got hookah.
Y'all wanna go there after?
Yeah, so yeah. I don't know. I seen it on somebody vlog on YouTube.
Y'all can call them real quick.
So what we doing right now is we
just grabbing food, you know, one wing and we ready to go.
Yeah, and then we gonna go to a club. We don't know which club we're gonna go to.
I know tomorrow it's gonna be up because well we have an excursion, the buggies, and then we have the cenote swim, and then tomorrow is our birthday dinner. Did y'all find a restaurant? I'm talking about ours. Yeah, our birthday dinner.
I have to find a restaurant, but it's tomorrow's a birthday dinner, and then we're going to Magic tonight.
Cause I need to set reservations in the morning before we get with the what's name.
Yeah, tonight. So that's all that's going on right now. So we're gonna come back once we get our food,
and we can't really even show y'all the food. We're gonna take a video off our phone. And
it's so dark over there.
I definitely want to go to Coconut Bar if they got hookah. I'm finna call them.
You gotta call them.
Y'all, it's finna go up, okay?
It's finna motherfucking be one. And if you ain't think it was, you must be mistaken, bitch.
That's like selfless. Damn, this thing is good as fuck. Good morning. Good morning.
What's up? How y'all know the first get to?
Let me see. Oh, my phone. That one thing I can't afford to get cracked up no more. Ooh.
Good morning. What's this time? Right now,
Grand Rising.
we in the motherfucking
You can say
Sprinter 100 times.
Bitch, how many times you started?
We in the Sprinter.
We never restarted.
We about to do ATV, dune buggy, all that shit. I'm so motherfucking tired. It's like
I'm the white girl ponytail. What?
I think I'm done recording.
You got what was the joke?
Nothing. I'm rewatching the video.
What are you doing?
We're laughing at the subscribe.
No, you're not. Me recording.
Girl, the camera ain't on me.
You just did that.
She said, why you have your...
Don't be recording us.
Can we make it out of that beach? I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucy.
You look like you're recording.
Oh. It's so rough.
I said, can we put these down? No.
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
closed.
Babe,
Are you ready?
now they're gonna give you 20 minutes to look the stuff.
Oh, I do. I gotta get my souvenir.
Oh, wait,
Yeah, we'll give you.
so we done made it.
We're shopping.
We done made it to we done made it to the motherfucking place to get on this ATVs.
It feels like it's gonna be funner than what I thought.
Yeah.
We're stopping at the beach. We're stopping. Oh, I did read that though.
That mama one was nasty. Was good. You thought it was nasty?
I didn't think it was nasty.
It was. It just tastes like sangria. That's exactly what it tastes like.
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want big.
I feel like we finna have so much fun.
You heard me?
What?
They're jade stones. Y'all know what jade are? Like it can help with your mood this week. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Like actually jade, y'all know what I'm talking about.
How much is it?
This is the Mama Juana.
He said when you run out, you just refill it.
You just refill it, yeah. The one that you try, we already used for more than 8 years. Because, yeah.
Oh, so the stuff that make it is.
He said make it better. Like,
yeah, when it's over.
But how much is it though?
No, this on the normal price 45. But we make it better there.
45 US?
Yeah, US, because this is not like
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, this is not like a bottle of whiskey. When you drink it, you have to drop it. This one you can use for 10, 15 years.
It's like mine.
Exactly. Mira, look, that's what gives you the taste.
Hold on.
You see the wood inside?
Mm-hmm.
This one gives you taste, the wood. Mama Juan is the baby maker. Quick, all night.
He said, you said it makes you do what?
Baby maker.
Oh, that's the baby.
And they told you not to do that. Make space to go fast. I ain't do that part.
It's like it's hot, but it feels good. This shit's so raggedy. For real?
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing.
Currently eating
some dinner.
A
mosquito just bit me, dog. That's what we forgot to do.
Before we go.
What are lighting now? Today was crazy. We did buggies, doing buggies. We did like a cenote swim, but nobody really got into it because they told us
it was fucking freezing.
They told us we had 15 minutes to get in the water and get out. Baby, I'm just warming up. I ain't getting in there.
So right now what we're doing is we just having a birthday dinner basically.
All pink dinner. Girls, ladies.
Hey, Sesame.
Lava rat.
You don't say my whole government name. What y'all gonna eat?
I think I want a little
I really
rat.
like it because this was the first picture you took as a just to take you.
So yeah, basically what we finna do is we just finna sit down, we finna get some food, and after that we gonna go to the house,
Change
turn
and
up.
get fucked up. Like,
I need to wear some shake these ass, shake this ass type
cause
outfit.
we ain't show Instagram
Yeah,
how we get down yet. We really
so
been being
tonight,
boring.
we can be out till 6 in the morning because we don't got shit to do to do.
Excuse me.
Did you enjoy your birthday yesterday?
Yeah.
You look so pretty.
I was really high off edibles.
That's good. Robin,
What's that pink over there?
you look so cute. Did you enjoy yourself?
I want some wings.
Y'all host got high.
I did be hot, but you know, I was just like,
Anybody want to motherfucking die?
when we get in space, turn that shit on, nigga. Don't fucking play with me. You know who the motherfucking queen is? They say I look like Nicki Minaj. Who is that?
He called Cicely as
Like Zendaya. He lied. He said Zendaya.
They said I look like Beyonce.
What? Bitch, you could use that.
Yeah.
No, bitch, you gotta do that. Everybody posting.
We'll be back when we get changed.
When's your birthday, y'all? That ain't what y'all asking.
Yes, huh?
Oh, we asked to say something.
Me, you, and Neat. That's what sits on the beach. We'll be back after we eat. I'm gonna show y'all some of our food.
Thank you.
I'll be back to show y'all the food, okay?
Do you? Ooh. Don't nothing talk them Halloween heels. Sissy was walking like this.
You see that click clack? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these bitches made my ears bleed.
Go ahead. So we gotta
I'm disappointed in us because we don't have a lot of shit lost. We do though. Like what?
like I got hella box from like ATV. That's why I have shit. I have shit on the camera. I have a decent amount of shit.
That ain't gonna work.
That's why I can tell you pull out your
It's Neat birthday. It's Neat B-Day.
It's her birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
¿Sabes tú para qué sos, no? Una que de chocolate.
Y'all look here.
Is this what we had?
Like this you can
It's
make
heavy.
it
It
at
might
home.
be the real thing.
No, because like this, it's like this. At home, you can eat.
Okay, so today we're going to get on the boat. We're waiting. Then when we got here, they had a surprise for us. They surprised us. Well, they ain't surprised us. It surprised me. They had hookah for sale. You know we got that. And then we got like we bought like food for the boat, like chicken and burgers and shit like that, and shish kebabs. But yeah, I mean, I'm kind of excited. You know, it feel like my birthday. So happy birthday to me. We got.
You see also good price, sister?
Huh?
Cacao
I ain't
also good
interested in
price.
buying nothing.
So basically what we finna do, we waiting to get on this damn boat. Y'all.
I just told them all that.
So you don't want this? Oh, you like it? So let me drink it.
No. I don't want you to have it.
I'm drinking this water.
It's not even your water. That's nasty drinking off of it.
I'm moving it. Anyways, so we've been vlogging, but it's like, hurry up, Robin, put it in your bag. Put it in your bag.
I don't fuck with chewing though.
So basically, we just
And they had hookah. This is what I was telling them, that when we got here, we was surprised. You know, we was ambushed to a hookah stand.
So basically, what we doing?
What
is
if they
this.
have quick lights? Oh my fucking god.
I just got so pissed off. That shit gonna piss me off because they gonna have to keep refilling it because that shit make what the hell going on?
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rules and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Oh no, I now. Yeah. What I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rules and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet.
I just want to know why you got me.
Cece, you hear this? These hoes doubling up. This be your ass trying to do this. Come on. You get the first thing. You can do that. Remember, I let you do that. That's what I do. That's what I do. Anyway. Changing because everybody just got done taking their pictures. Cece right there. Robert is over there. And we're finna go hang out and do our big one. But we did get drunk as fuck on the boat yesterday. Y'all gonna see all that. Was lit as fuck, but we ain't go to the club yesterday because was worn out. Bitches was too drunk and bitches was tired. Bitch, we finna do it tonight. Yeah, so we finna try to go out tonight. All right, so camera finna fucking die. I'm charging another battery right now. We're gonna see you when we get to the club. Bye.
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rules and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. Look at them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing.
There are 2 tables, 11. Each means that you can go side by side there. 2 people together at the same time, making like a race. You get to take, keep a number 11 to come back to this side of the river. By the way, on this one, keep a number 9. On this one, keep a number 11. The little kids, they have to deal with the instructor together because they don't have enough to do by themselves, okay?
Yeah. Niggas think they not. We gonna run up in your spot. Hey. Then I'ma beat the K. Oh my God, it's so hot.
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job.
Hey girl.
Hell, this shit hurt the worst. Oh my God, Lord.
Did y'all go fast?
There's my fucking balls hurt. My fucking balls, dude. Yeah, she record like she just gonna win. Like, I don't have a nigga, and he would not want no tongue twisting asshole. He just don't want no bitch that talks like this to sit on his face. The fuck? Bitch, tongue twisting asshole. Don't no nigga want no bitch with a man chest. Bitch, don't know. Bitch, shut up, little boy. Yeah, we know you talk to Julio. Yeah, we know. I'm gonna do that anyway.
That's your high end instigator. Certified.
Familia, we have antibacterial on the floor down here. We want everybody step in to the disinfected shoes, please, before coming in.
It's gonna be dirty by the time everybody get in.
That's why we first.
Why we right at him?
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want
To go get COVID tested because we leave tomorrow. It was positive, you know. So
No, it wasn't.
It was negative. So right now we're trying to go to this beach and take it away.
This is like the area that we're in, and it's like really complicated to even get on this beach. It's called Juanillo Beach, and I don't even know where we at.
So
But
basically, you have to pay $20 to even get to the beach.
on the beach, like, and then but it's like a little package that it comes with food. You get to eat at the little restaurant with like this little piece of paper.
Yeah, like it's like a food package. It's $20 a person. You can get food, drinks, all that. So that's not too bad. So,
And it's a nice area. It looks really, really quiet.
Yeah, it's at a resort. So basically, that's what we're doing right now. We've been trying
Waiting
to
on the
vlog.
two problematic goals.
We've been trying to vlog, but vlogging is very, very hard when there's a lot of shit going on.
Mm-hmm.
And there's been a lot of shit going on. But other than that, that's what we're doing. So I guess
Every day, it's been shit after shit after shit after shit.
Right.
Who you talking to?
like tired a little bit.
Really?
I guess we'll reach back out to you guys.
Not too tired.
I know. We'll reach back to y'all motherfuckers.
I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rules and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Oh no, I know feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rules and traits. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not.
Alright. Good morning, y'all.
It's day goodbye.
Today is our last day officially. And
I'm so tired of the fish word. I thought you just said that.
no, I said officially. And our flight is at 4:20. Our ride come pick us up at 1:30.
Fucking ways. I got bit by mosquitoes in my fucking head. Like, these bitches so devious. They can tear my ass up any fucking ways. We're going to get something to eat before we go. Even though they got food at the airport, I don't know what type of food they got at the airport, and I don't want that. I want to eat now. So we're trying to find something quick to eat. Last night was a vibe.
Yeah,
only 3 of us went out.
Yeah, it definitely was. It was fun. We should have went to that club like at least one more time while we was out here. The only.
So do you prefer that over skate?
It's just like it's such a piss off.
So when I'm back in, I'm gonna just pull out.
Y'all I was just in there cussing so fucking much. I was like, why the fuck would they leave me? I just told nigga I'm gonna be ready. Like, why the fuck would they? And you know what's funny? I was like, Z, you ready? Here go CC. I'm just brushing my teeth.
See, I'm not talking to you. Like, what? Oh, I'm coming. I'm hungry too. So y'all left. I'm just standing upstairs, like, just putting shit in my purse. And Robin said, I think they left. I said, wait, huh? Bitch, I'm just standing up here like I didn't even know y'all left. I'm just waiting on y'all. She put on her shit. I said, I don't know what she put on. Like, what the fuck? I'm sitting there waiting on y'all to say y'all leaving. We were sitting right here, though. And, bro, I was just so mad trying to FaceTime Nick. It was not going through. I was like, or maybe she did not answer my call.
No, I didn't get it. I was sitting right here the whole time. And the crazy thing is, when you stop at a red light, it count down how long the light gonna be red. I don't know if y'all could see.
Why are you giggling?
It count down.
We in the hood. Let me sit. So sad. Like,
so this is the last day. So everybody, I'm finna pass the camera how the trip was. 1 to 10.
It's gonna be up for the next trip. I would say like an 8.5.
8 because their food wasn't all that, but all the activities was fun as fuck. I said a 9.
You see it in my head?
She was like this.
The food was nice, and the little stuff we had going on with the Airbnb. But overall, everything else was fun.
I'll give it I'll give it like a 8.9.
Oh, I took one already.
Oh, same
my bad.
Shut the fuck up. How do I not take care of myself?
You don't though.
You don't.
How? How I don't?
You smoke hella cigarettes.
Why are you lying? You do like me.
Smoke hella
And then,
cigarettes.
like, every time we go somewhere, you're looking for Coronas and shit. You need to relax.
Corona, bitch. When have you ever seen me pick up your host? Stop lying so goddamn.
I ain't the type of bitch that's gonna, you know, I don't really do too much with the back and forth.
That ain't gonna do nothing. I swung on Robin for you, cause bitch, you text me to swing on Robin. I did that for you. They didn't want to switch spots and
Please put out the message come swing on Robin.
Okay, I will. Yeah, you did. So,
I thought I said it.
No, that's what I thought she said it too. But if I said that, you still didn't do it because Robin beat the fuck out your ass.
yeah, I did swing on her.
But she beat your ass.
swung on her, though.
But she beat your ass.
She didn't beat my ass. She beat Nique's ass.
You ran up on her first.
You beat you. Well, whoever fought
Look,
lost.
come swing on Robin. Who is that? Z? Oh,
Let me see it, Cece.
zoom in.
That was such an instigator. but this my thing. You still lost. Like I didn't fight nobody, and you started the most shit and didn't fight nobody.
Yeah, you did.
And I beat up by Nick, and now your nail is broke. So what do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Dominican Republic vlog. We're on the way to the airport right now to go back home. And that's it. Bye.